The amazing burping Lily 2.
2.
2.
2.
Do you hear that? I don't even have to tell her anymore. Burp. Nice. Burp. Burp. Burp.
No more.
No more?
Mm-mm.
How about one more time?
I'll push that.
No. Woo! Don't fall. Burp. Burp. Can you burp? Good job. Good job. Some more?
Yes.
Burp. Can you dance? Just a little bit? Da, da, da.
Fire for the.
Fall down?
Yes. No. Yes. Chirp.
Okay, that was nice.
Oh.
Burp. Yay!
Chirp.
Okay, grand finale. Are you ready? Grand finale. 1, 2, 3. That was so sad. Oh, picture perfect. Yeah. Say hot chocolate.
Hi, chocolate.
Oh, you're adorable. Whoa, what did you do? You're adorable.
Chirp.
Ow! Lily, say thank you.
See you.
And bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wave bye.